Alrighty guys, so we're back, and as promised, here is another Easter cupcake video. What I've done is taken another jumbo cupcake, and I have just used my grass tip with some green icing, buttercream, and I have added just a few little flour sprinkles for effect there in the grass. Now I've got chocolate icing in my resealable bag with the grass tip, okay? So you're going to use the grass tip for the green grass, and also for the next step in this cupcake, we're going to make a chocolate nest. So you're just going to pick an area on the cupcake, and I would suggest by starting the nest first, and we're just going to squeeze out, and we're going to pull around, making a round oval shaped nest. Okay, and we're gonna just keep going around. This is our third time around. Our fourth time. And then you're just going to go inside and place just a little bit for the bottom of that nest. And you see how we have a little nest built up on our cupcake. And if you want, you can just add as little or as much as you want here. Okay, you see that? And now we're going to take we're going to start with one blue little candy. Excuse me. Yes. We're going to move our chocolate icing over. We're going to take some black icing in a tube, and we are just going to pipe on. We're going to make a little bluebird. Now I got this idea from Yo-Yo Max 12, and you can go to her channel. I put it in the drop down box. I did my nest a little differently than she did, but you can do it either way. But I'm going to pipe on two little black eyes, and I've taken my yellow icing and just cut the corner of a bag, and I'm going to pipe on a little beak. Okay. And then you're just going to take your little bird. I'm going to try not to squish him up. And I'm going to place him down inside the nest. And we're going to give him a little brother or sister. Actually, we'll make this a little sister. And I'm just going to pipe on two more little eyes. And this time, a little fluff of hair. And then we're also just going to pipe a little beak. So all I'm going to do is let that icing build up, build up, build up, and then pull away, just to create a little beak. And I've smushed him a little bit, but that's okay. We're just going to set her down right next to her brother. And how cute is that? that is the cutest little thing in the world for Easter. You know, we did a couple of these. You can put the little Easter baskets and also these adorable little bluebird nest on a beautiful platter for Easter, and your guests are just going to simply love it. I hope you guys really enjoy this. This is simple and easy to do. If you want to make it look like their little mouth is open where their mommy's feeding them, you can just pipe another little beak directly under. And it makes it look like their little mouth is open. See that? So I hope you guys give that a try. I hope you can see that. Makes it look like the little beak's open. I hope you guys give this a try. These are, again, awfully precious and only take just a few minutes to create. So let me know what you guys think, and as always, guys, thanks so much for watching. Until next time.